We are given the area of rectangle ACFG, which is equal to 10y squared plus 8y, and this is equal to the length times breadth. For the breadth of the rectangle, we know that it is 2y. Therefore, we can find the length of the rectangle, which is 5y plus 4. Then, considering the triangle ABC, we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find AB squared, which is equal to AC squared plus BC squared. AC equals to 5y plus 4, and BC is given to us as well, 2y plus 1. And expanding expression, you'll get an expression for AB squared, which is equal to 29y squared plus 44y plus 17. Next, we are given that AB squared is 24y squared plus 64y plus 2, and we equate it to the expression that we found earlier. And solving this quadratic equation, we'll end up with two values of y equals to 1 or y equals to 3. In this part, we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find FE squared. We know that DE is 4x plus y and DF is y. And so if you take DE squared minus DF squared, we'll get 16x squared plus 8xy. Next, we are given that FE squared equals to 1 over 2x plus y. We equate it to the expression that we found. And expanding the expression, we will find that we can form a quadratic equation in y. Over here, we see that the a term here is 8x, the b term is 32x squared, and the c square is 32x cubed minus 1. And then we use the formula to solve for the quadratic equation. Minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. We sub the corresponding values inside, and then we see that there's this value here which we reject because it is a negative number. As y can only be positive, so we only take the positive expression, which is shown here. Minus 32x squared plus square root 32x over 16x. We are given that y equals to 6x, and we equate it to the expression that we found earlier. We will get 128x squared equals to square root 32x. Then we can square both sides to get 1684x to the power of 4 equals to 32x. And we proceed to solve this equation. We take out the x, and then we get a cubic equation to solve. We can equate 1684x cubed to equals to 32. And then, since we know that x is positive, we can take the positive cube root of 1 over 1512. And then we'll get 8x equals to 1 over 8. Over here in this diagram, first we consider triangle DEF. And then using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find FE equals to 4 cm. And then we find the area of this triangle, half times base times height, to get 6 cm squared. Next, we find the area of triangle HFE, which is the big triangle here. And we have half times 4 times 3 plus 36 to get 78 cm squared. Then we can take the area of the big triangle minus the area of the small triangle to find the area of EHD. So 78 minus 6, we get 72 cm squared.